welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about this lovely, pretty Diwali, festive makeup. So if you all want to see how I achieved this look, then please like and subscribe and let's get into it. Hey guys, so I've already got my base makeup done. I'm gonna add a video to show you all exactly how I got that done. So if you're interested, watch that. And now let's get into the eyes. Okay, so first and foremost for the eyes, I'm gonna set my eyelids with some setting powder. This is once again done so that I get like a smooth canvas on it. So my eyeshadows glide more smoothly. Gonna drag it on my lower lash line as well. Okay, now that my eyelids are nice and smooth, let's get into the eyeshadow. Okay, so for my transition shade, I'm gonna go in with this lovely burnt orangish brown shade. Gonna take it on a fluffy brush, coat it nicely, dust off the excess, and I'm gonna place it on my crease. And this I'm gonna place it all over the eyelid. So I need an even coverage to it. Once again, I'm gonna hold the eyeshadow brush at the end and blend. Adding more pigment slowly but gradually, and I'm just gonna blend the entire crease area with this. I want it in my inner corners as well. Once again, you can drag it outwards into a feline shape, but up to you. I'm gonna do that. I'm automatically going to do that because I'm so used to doing that. So just keep blending. Just keep swimming, just keep blending till you're happy with it. Okay, now that I'm happy with the transition shade, I'm gonna go in with a brown shade. I'm gonna go in with this chocolate brown. Once again, I'm gonna go in with this chocolate brown. Taking another fluffy brush, and I'm gonna use this shade exactly the same place where I placed my transition shade. So this basically is to deepen up my transition shade. Oh, also you can also place some translucent setting powder under your eye to catch all the fallout so that you're safe and eyeshadow doesn't stick on your face. Okay, so for this shadow as well, I'm going to drag it in the inner corners because you're going to get a nice even look. I'm going to go in with this shimmery bronze shade, and I'm going to go in with a flat brush. So this is done. You can wet your brush too. I'm going to do the same. I'm going to wet it and I'm going to just place it on my eyelid. I'm going to be placing it here, just on the center of your eyelid, on your eyeball, and the center of your eyeball. Take your time, build it up now. Very nice and pigmented. Such a pretty color. Okay, so now that the shimmer eyeshadow is placed correct on the eyeball, I'm gonna go in with a darker brown shade. So I'm gonna go in with this shade, like a darker chocolate brown. Going in with a pencil brush, dabbing off the excess, and this time we are gonna place it on the outer corners. And I'm also gonna place it a little bit on the inner corner as well, like a halo eye basically. Use the pencil brush to blend it in well. Once again, you can drag it outward however you like. Okay, so now that the dark brown is also in the entire eye look, I want some more pop to the entire brown shade. So I'm gonna go in with this gold glitter. As you can see, I'm gonna go in with this gold glitter, taking it on my finger, and I'm just gonna slightly dab it on the center of my lid. Taking the same flat brush, and I'm just going to try to blend the edges because we don't want any harsh lines. Now for the outer corners, I'm just going to go back in with that, that burnt orange shade, and then take it a little bit on the fluffy brush, and I'm just going to dab it on the outer corners. lightly to just get back that warmth. And now let's move into eyeliner. So you can use like any eyeliner, but I'm gonna go in with the Inglot gel eyeliner because this is what I have. Line your eyes however you feel like, in an angled shape, a circular shape, according to your normal eyeline. It's fine. For now, I'm sticking to my natural eye shape. Can you stick to my lash line? Okay, so first I'm just going according to my natural lash line, and I'm building up the eyeliner slowly because I don't want any mistakes, because when you go too fast and you go too thick, you go in all weird directions, so it's better to take it slow. Actually, this time I'm feeling like maybe I shouldn't wing my eyeliner. I don't know. I kind of like it. This time I'm not gonna wing out the eyeliner. I'm just gonna stick to my natural eye shape. So as I always go in with two different eyeliners. So I've already placed down my gel eyeliner. Now I'm going to go in with this Lakme liquid eyeliner. So this basically gives me a more crispier feel and finish. So I'm just going to place this on top of this, and let's see how that looks. This is to intensify the eyeliner. Yep, and that's it. As you can see, just layering the eyeliner, it looks so much more darker and deeper. Okay, so now that my eyeliner and my eyeshadow is done, let's move on to the lashes. So for my lashes, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes, making sure all of them are nicely inside. I'm gonna pump them. Now that my eyelashes are nice and curled, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. I'm gonna use a very light coat of this mascara on my eyes. I don't want it, Ooh! Make sure that all your hair is, placed behind, because of the mascara. I've had many, mishaps where my hair has got caught in my mascara and it's nicely touched my face. My entire face has like some black streaks running down it. So yeah, be careful of that. Okay, so now that your lashes are nice and coated with mascara, it's time for some falsies. So I'm just gonna place a pair of falsies and be right back. Alright, so now that my false eyelashes have also been placed, let's move on to the lower lash line. So for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with the same brown shades basically. So I'm gonna go in with this tiny little brush, and I'm gonna go in with the same burnt orange shade, and I'm gonna place that all over my lower lash line. As you can see, I'm connecting it to the outer. I'm connecting it on the outer corners as well. This gives a more even look to the entire eye. Okay, now I'm moving into the same chocolate brown shade that I used earlier. Gonna take that same shade and place it exactly again on my lower lash line, connecting that as well to the outsides. I must say I'm liking this entire eye look without the, the wing, which I always tend to gravitate towards, because I don't know why. I always tend to gravitate towards the wing. Now I'm gonna go back in with the darker brown and see exactly how that looks. Connecting that outside as well. Okay, so now I'm not gonna go in with kajal because I'm finding this entire look very, pretty and festive. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of mascara to the lower lash line and see how it looks. Once again, be very careful. You don't want mascara all over your face. for my inner corners, I'm going to use the same champagne highlighter shade I've used to highlight my face, so that, you know, it has a more symmetric, you know, pretty vibe. Using a nice pencil brush again, I'm just gonna go in with my highlighter shade. So since I want it more intense, I want it more intense than this, I'm gonna wet my brush, because when you wet your brush, you get like, you know, more coverage. So I'm just gonna dampen my brush a little. Yeah, so I'm just gonna dampen my brush and highlight my inner corners. Let's see how this looks. Okay, so as you can see, it looks very pretty. I love it. You can bring it a little bit inner inside your lash line as well, but I think I'm going to keep it at this because it looks very pretty. Okay, so now that one eye is done, let's get on with the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that both the eyes have been done, I'm going to move on to the lips. Now for the lips, I'm using, to hydrate it, I'm using this Avon facial oil. It's like super hydrating and nice. So I'm just going to use a little bit of that. So I just took like a little bit of drop and I'm just going to massage it on my lips. Okay, so now for the lip liner, I'm gonna go into this brownish reddish shade. So, and it's obviously it's darker than my natural lip shade. And I'm just gonna nicely line my lip. I'm not gonna, enlarge my lips or anything. I'm just going to follow the natural lip line. It's also very important to have like a nice, sharper pencil so that you can get nice crisp lines basically. So now I'm just going to fill in the lips so that it's nicely lined. I'm going to go in with a darker lip liner, a red lip liner, and line it all over. This is so that we bring out the more red, color in it. So I'm going to go in with this red lipstick and I'm going to go all over my lips. As you can see, this lipstick is super pretty. And this is how it turned out to be. I think I really like this look. It's super festive, it's super classy and elegant, and it's very pretty. So I'm just gonna set my hair and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I hope you all guys really like it. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.